Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Ridi Kurniawan and my friends,
My name Muhammad Ferry Ardiansyah.
we are from Institute of Technology and Science Nahdlatul Ulama Pasuruan. In this session, I would like to talk about the motion today. The motion is this house as a first generation immigrant parent of color in predominantly white country would choose to live and raise children in an ethnic enclave. I will be Prime Minister today, and my friend will be.
Deputy Prime Minister.
Okay. Okay. In sociology, an ethnic enclave is a geographic area with high ethnic concentration, characteristic cultural identity, and economic activity. The term is usually used to refer to either a residential area of workplace with a high concentration of ethnic firms. Their success and growth depends on self-sufficiency is and is coupled with economic property. The theory of social capital in the information immigrant network creates the social foundation for ethnic enclave based on Douglas Massey described how immigrant networks provide new immigrants with social capital that can be transferred to other tangible forms. As immigrants tend to cluster in the choose geographic space, they develop migrant network system of interpersonal relations through which principals can exchange valuable research and knowledge. Immigrants can capitalize on social interaction by transforming information into tangible research and thereby lower cost of opportunities, affordable housing, government assistable program, and help of NGOs. Thus, by simulating social connection, ethnic enclave generate a pool of intangible research that help to provide the social and economic development of its member. Ethnic enclave can resemble the immigrant's place of origin through physical look layout and language employed both written and orally. In addition to increasing the cultural comfort of immigrant, healthy ethnic enclave offers solidarity and trust among members and informal training system within the workplace. The pers- the geographic proximity of the enclave network allows for easy flow of knowledge and verifying types of assistance between frames and well. Where where there is an atmosphere of trust in ethnic enclave, this transfer of knowledge and sharing of social capital exists an asset to the firm. Connection with member is an enclave may also afford the newcomer work opportunities. Immigrants may also receive informal training regarding the custom and practice of the larger culture outside the enclave and help navigating challenges in many areas of everyday life. Social hostility may be a challenge faced by immigrants in their host society. Therefore, to avoid this factor, ethnic enclave provide a haven where economic success may still be achieved. As opening government, I am preferred to choose ethnic enclave by considering some reasons. First, economic. The process of enclave economics can only be fully understood through a sociology perspective that considers economic sociology and the sociology of immigration. Ethnic enclave generate a pool of social capital through which members can access research that lower the cost of immigration. Economic assistance through enclave membership takes the form of job opportunities, loans for small business, and other form for economic assistance. Small ethnic Firms within the enclave provide new immigrants with immediate access to economic opportunities by subverting the secondary sector for the economy and creating numerous low-wage jobs that are easily accessed by members. The barriers of entry into the enclave economic are significantly lower due to the ethnocentric nature of business and firms. Goods and service tends to be offered in the language of that enclave. Additionally, social and cultural norms specific to the host country are not required of employee in the enclave economy. Thus, the ethno-specific nature of enclave economics makes them social and cultural skill necessary to integrate into the mainstream economy. Two, quality of kinship network access to social capital does not guarantee easy for or success for the migrant because the social capital is rooted in relationship. It easily lends itself to conflict and disagreement between parties. The level of economic stability and on the side of the receiving party can dictate the level of aid they are willing or able to offer. In addition, the economic condition of the country and the availability of jobs open on the immigrants can largely affect the quality of the support networks available to the migrant. If the receiving country provides favor- favorable conditions such as access to social programs, the local economy and employment opportunities, the network is likely to be of much higher quality. The government opening of facing that motion being immigrant is very hard. Meanwhile, the racistic issues is very sounding in some countries. The right way to survive in that place by choosing ethnic enclave. Thank you.
Thank you, Rudy, as opening Prime Minister. Ethnic enclave is the right place to live, growing our children and doing some economic activities. There are some reasons why it's right place to be chosen in the tension of racism rising up today. Everyone remember about you might have heard lots of people who sing the purpose Black Lives Matter. In recent times, it's a sentiment which has become an important way for people to show their support for members of the black community who have experienced discriminative simply because of the color of their skin. How how did Black Lives Matter start? Black Lives Matter has become an important statement for many following the death of an Africa America man called George Floyd. But it was first used with black in 2013 after a teenage boy called Trayvon Martin was killed by a neighborhood was volunteer who did not face any punishment. Lots of people took part in protests following Trayvon death, turned to social media to speak out against what had happened. They left out about the injustice that was taking place in America and that the life of black people did not have the same fall as other people's lives. This led to the birth of the hashtag Black Lives Matter. Skins then as well as a part of support. Black Lives Matter has grown into a campaign organization too. The movement of Black Lives Matter was established in relation to the murder by police officer of black people in USA. In March Hike number 10, white people get Grabby told Newson. He is chief executive of the country so racist the red card. It's a movement equality and against racism. The, the policy brutality that has happening made black people elevate their lives simply did not matter. Zayek's father and honorary president of So Racism the Red Card, Shaka Hislop. Sekian the event 2030 empirical evidence suggests that immigrants benefit from living in neighborhoods with a larger number of techniques if the ethnic network is of high quality. If co-ethnics are well educated, work in paid jobs, and if employment rate in the ethnic community is high, labor market integration could improve if newly arriving economic migrants set settle in neighborhoods with relatively high average education level and relatively high employment rates among the youth. Possible policies might include a target spread in of incoming recruits and asylum seekers across areas according to socio-economic characteristics such as education level and employment by the resident ethnic population. With respect to labor migrant, policymakers might consider the feasibility of policies that enact an incentive as fuels the low-skilled immigrants to skilled in regions with reality high employment rates and education level among Joe national. Overall, income quality in terms of level of income, standard of education, and rates of employment is more important than in-class size for driving economic success. Policy results, therefore, focus less on avoiding ethnic retention, receive but aim to discourse the socio-economic residual segregation and instead implement housing policy that promotes mixed residence areas in terms of high and low skill work. Those are our perspective ideas of fighting the motion. So stay safe and stay sober in the unpredictable situation COVID-19. Russian issues, losing job, because this pandemic causing incline the first place for living today. I am very as deputy of Prime Minister and Rudy, my Prime Minister. Have a nice day and thank you.